What's up, YouTube? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your affiliate marketing business with no website and no initial investment. So let's get into the money-making content. Let's go! All right, everyone, we're back inside my computer again. My name is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and in this video, we are going to talk about how to start your affiliate marketing business with zero initial investment and no website at all. So, first off, let's do some little housekeeping real quick. This channel talks all about making money online, whether it means creating sales funnels, creating websites, doing all different sorts of things when it comes to affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, email marketing, all the like under that making money online umbrella. So if that is your thing, if that's what you want to do, if that's what you want to learn, you want to get down like that, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time that I drop some hot new videos. So with that being said, let's get into the money making content. So started off right fresh off the bat. You want to become an affiliate marketer, but guess what? You got no money. You're broke. You don't know really what to do. You have ambitions, but you're not sure what steps to take. And you pretty much want to start from the ground level. Well, this is what we're going to do. First off, you've got to pick a niche. And you've got to understand what a niche is. A niche is a type of market that you can be able to provide services and products to, i.e., the niche of clothing, like a clothing niche, like an urban clothing niche, or makeup. You can be able to, market your products and services to a particular niche who like beauty products and makeup. You can be able to, have a niche for hair care products. Like hair care is a huge niche right now. You can be able to market your products and services to that particular type of hair product niche. Niches like cooking, like vegan cooking, like you know, just healthy living styles. That's a type of niche. Health and fitness, wellness, healthy eating. All those are types of niches you can be able to market products and services to. And let me explain, with niche selection, there are what you call evergreen style niches. All right, evergreen niches, it means that it's always in demand. And there are four main evergreen niches on the market out there right now. And let me explain them real quick. You've got healthy living or dieting, all right? You've also got fitness and weight loss. That goes together as well. They go hand in hand. The third is going to be love and relationships. Everyone's looking for love. Everyone's looking for a mate, whether it be, however you see that as. Everyone's looking for somebody. You don't want to go through this life alone. And the last one is making money. So those four main evergreen niches will always be prominent. So pretty much health, fitness, relationships, and money. Those are the four main evergreen niches that are on the market all the time. They're evergreen, which means they aren't going away at all. People need these four things. Whether they believe it or not, they need these four things. And so, with that being said, you want to research your niche. You want to be sure that people are actually, making money out of these niches. They can be able to, sustain the lifestyle that they want to live through these types of niches. And so that leads me into the next step in starting your affiliate marketing business for free with no website. All right, the next step is to go to this website called Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is one of the largest affiliate networks out there. All right, you can sign up for free. All right, you can be able to create an account right here. You fill out your personal information, your banking information, your account information, and all that. And once you are started in ClickBank, you can actually start promoting their products. And what you want to do, you want to promote products that are in your niche. All right? You want to promote products that are in your niche. And so going back a smidgen here, these are different categories you could be able to choose from that you could be able to promote. And like I talked about before, I talked about making money online, like e-business and e-marketing. That's one of them that you can be able to, start up with, which is part of the make money online niche. All right. You've got health and fitness. Once again, one of those evergreen niches that I talked about. So you can be able to promote products like that. Healthy living and dieting, that's in there too, more than likely part of the health and fitness. And then relationships, like I said before, is in there as well. So you can be able to promote any of these products, to be quite honest with you. But the main four ones, like I stated, is healthy living, fitness, love, and making money online. Those are the main ones. So like I said, you can be able to go to ClickBank, start a account for free. All right, you don't have to go and do an interview process. You don't have to, go through a bunch of different hoops like some of the other affiliate networks are out there right now. You don't have to do any of that. There are some that you do have to do that. Max Bounty, you have to do that with. EPC Boss, you have to do that with. There's an interview process to see if you are a seasoned marketer, if you're going to, be able to send traffic to their promotions. But with ClickBank, you don't have to do that. It's absolutely free. You can run it and get started today with ClickBank. Now, so with that being said, you want to align your ClickBank product that you're going to promote with your niche. And it's best sometimes to just go with your passion, whatever your passion is. Is your passion to, make money online? Is your passion to, lose weight or eat healthier? Or is it to, find romance? Whatever it is, align the product that you are looking to promote with the niche that you're involved in. Makes sense, doesn't it? Um, so from there, being like I said, starting a ClickBank account is absolutely free. The next step you want to take is to go right over here, ta-da, to YouTube. Now, you can be able to create your own YouTube channel absolutely free. All you need is a Google account and get started. You want to jump over to Google. You want to sign in with your email, whatever your Gmail account is, and start your YouTube channel. It is absolutely, positively for free. And what you want to do is create video content around that niche. Whether it be, like I said, your passion, whether it be, making money online, whether it be love and relationships, health and fitness, healthy living, dieting, whatever. Use that niche and create content, valuable content around it. All right. So with that being said, once you've created your YouTube channel, all right, you've got to put content on there. You can be able to utilize your phone for your camera. You can utilize your computer camera for your camera, your desktop camera, like I do. Any other outside device, if you have the means, maybe like an iPad you can use, or maybe a DSLR camera or whatever. If you have one of those that have that capability, utilize those devices and upload your videos. All right. The next thing you want to do, if you've got any type of editing software on your computer, use it. I have iMovie on this iMac that I use. It's absolutely free. That came with the computer. It's nothing to it, super easy to use, and it came with my computer absolutely free. Somewhere you can be able to find some sort of editing software on your computer. You can be able to edit your videos. All right. And now understand the next thing that you need to do once you've created your Clickbank account, once you've created your YouTube channel, all right, somehow, some way, you've got to, know how to make money from it. You got to monetize it. The way you're going to monetize it is like this. Watch. We're going to go right over here to what you call get response. All right. Now, get response is a cost. Now, I did say that this is going to be a free to start up with, so there's no initial investment with this, but Get Response is a monthly fee. All right, but understand, they have a 30-day free trial. All right, 30-day free trial with Get Response. Now, guess what Get Response is? Get Response is a software package that you can be able to run for free for the first 30 days initially, and it is an all-in-one online marketing platform. It's inexpensive on the next payment that you would have. All right, I want to say it starts at around $15 per month, and it sets you up with creating landing pages, webinars, marketing, automation, and guess what? Email marketing. All right. If you go over here to pricing, if you are a beginner, that means you have less than 1,000 email subscribers on your list, if any at all. And this package starts you at 1,000 emails, and then $15 a month. And it gives you the autoresponder. It gives you the landing page option you can be able to create, and create the workflows go along with it as well. Like I said, 30-day free trial. And your next month will be $15. I'm telling you, if you can't invest any type of money into your business, into yourself, then, you might as well just go ahead and give up. But right here, you can be able to create a landing page. You can be able to create your list, and you can be able to promote those products from Clickbank on your YouTube channel and send them to your list and start generating a cash flow. Now, you're not going to be able to, do this overnight. It's not going to happen right away. You're not going to, start making money right away using this method, but it does work. And it is for free to start. Like I said, a 30-day free trial with Get Response. And it's one of the premier email autoresponder services that are out there. Like I said, you can be able to do all sorts of things with Get Response, as far as the platform goes. They got plenty of resources you can be able to, get into and utilize. And, it's very well worth the investment once you get going. All right. So, like I said, you want to do those things right there is, select a niche. All right. Start a Clickbank account, absolutely free. Start a YouTube channel, absolutely free. And get started with Get Response for a 30-day free trial. All right. Now, for more information on this, you can check out these websites. You can go to them and just get started. You got to start. You got to jump. All right. Just don't sit here and just flip through YouTube and trying to find your way. Cheap and easy. You've got to take action, massive action. Like I hear many other gurus on this platform say, you have got to take massive action. All right. It doesn't cost you anything to create a Clickbank account. It doesn't cost you anything to create a YouTube channel, and it sure enough doesn't cost you anything for the first 30 days to get a get response account and get going. Get your feet wet. Fail a few times. Fall on your face. That's how you learn. Once you've done that and you've taken those initial steps, you're going to be well on your way. Create quality content on your YouTube channel. Find products on Clickbank that are worth it and that convert. Utilize the gravity feature on Clickbank. It lets you know if if the product or promotion, product, whatever it is that you're looking to promote, actually converts and makes money. Use YouTube as a platform to generate free traffic. All right, it's well worth it. I'm telling you, give yourself a goal. Create a goal. Say, you know what? For the next 2 months, I'm going to bang out 25 videos on YouTube. Give yourself a goal. Give yourself something that you can be able to set your eyes on. All right? Well, that's the end of this video. If you want to learn more about internet marketing and different things of that nature, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting more videos consistently, and thank you very much. My name's Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprise.com. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I drop a new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the other side. Deuces.